Hallo, hallo. Extus 19 da mit Let's Play The Wolf Among Us.
How much longer do you think it'll be?
Wir suchen da ihre Mutter. Da hinten ist noch etwas. Oh. Oh.
God damn it.
Shouldn't say that.
Nothing.
Shouldn't say
Whiffs of that aftershave of his.
I do too.
Can I go to bed now? Please?
Is that a glamour tube?
Mommy really doesn't let anyone play with that. Trust me, trust.
I'm gonna take it.
Oh, no. Please, just put that back exactly where you found it. No one is allowed to play with
It's
that.
all right, honey. Bigby's not going to break
No,
it.
you don't understand. She will freak out if she discovers I've let people in here and let them touch her stuff, okay? She checks all the time to see if things move. I don't want to get in trouble. Look, I'm already grounded.
Snow, come on. Are you kidding? It's a glamour tube. Something's going on here.
Aha, sie ist Taxon.
No, put it down! Please, don't! This isn't what you think! You gotta believe me. The guy isn't here, I promise!
It's gonna be okay, Rachel.
Please,
Ah.
I'm begging you. I don't wanna get in trouble.
See? Hast gewusst.
When you do it that fast. What?
No more
Pick a wrong
bullshit.
night to lie to me. No more lying, no more ring around the rosy, no more bullshit, non sequiturs. You're done. It's over. You're gonna tell me what I want to know right now.
All right, start explaining. And from the beginning.
Help us catch Crane. That's all we care about.
That's not all we care about.
Snow?
I ain't a fortune teller, Wolf. I have no heavenly idea
Hast
where you
gewusst.
went to.
You have to know something.
Unless you want a recipe for owl stew, there's nothing I know that would help.
Okay.
In the name of everything holy, are you protecting this weaselly scumbag? I mean, what on earth could he have done to deserve this kind of loyalty?
Aha.
Crane could be hollow bones tomorrow, and you wouldn't see me cry a drop.
Aber?
But that doesn't mean I can tell you anything. You have friends, don't you? Well, I don't want Crane's friends for enemies.
If you're not protecting Crane, who are you protecting?
Get this through both of your skulls. I can't tell you.
Gewusst ist es
Just to hear
Grösseres.
that enough. There's powers at work here beyond your pathetic authority.
Whatever it is, Greenleaf, whatever it is that's keeping you from saying something,
We can protect you, okay? Whatever it is you're afraid of,
Wir probieren es
make sure that it
zumindest.
won't
Ich
come
glaub's
to
nicht.
pass.
You have no idea what's going on, do you?
Eben
you
nicht.
know what I think? I think we've been more than patient with you. This
Smack
witch
her.
has been selling illegal glamours that continue to undermine everything we've built. She's harboring a fugitive that took advantage of it, and now she's resisting every attempt to make things right. I frankly don't give a crap if she's afraid for her life. We can at least make sure she never hurts us again.
Aha.
We're destroying the tree.
No! How dare you come in here and threaten to take from me the one thing that... That tree is ancient. It's part of the family, and it's the only thing paying for this shithole apartment. And the Fables, who can't afford the glamours from you, come to me for help. Without them, where do you think they could go?
Don't give me that. You're making money off of other people's misery. Two Fables are dead because of this crap. It's too dangerous leaving this stuff with her.
You think I like being the old woman in these stories? The men are heroes, the ladies are whores, and the old hags like me get to watch everyone they love die.
We have very different ways of handling our fate.
Very different means to
I don't use it as an excuse to wreck people's lives.
Sorry, Sheriff, but please.
Isn't there another way? She's a witch. Can't she just work for us? That way she'd be official.
You want to reward her for criminal behavior? We can't trust this woman.
It doesn't matter. 'Cause
Why
I
is
never do
that?
it. I'm not a house cat, and I don't play well with others.
Oh, trust me, no one would confuse you for a cuddly animal. Bigby, This is an order. Burn the tree.
No! Look, I'll tell you. Crane was here. He was here and he left.
Okay.
He went to the
Where's the
pudding
tra-
and pie to try to use my ring on the girls over there to get information.
What does the ring do?
He thinks it's the ring of dispel.
Okay.
Pierce the protection around the girl's speech. He says pulling the truth out of them will prove his innocence.
Aha,
It
epä.
won't, though. Damn thing lost its power decades ago.
I'm sorry, but we still can't let you keep the tree. It wouldn't be right after what's happened. Big B.
Please, Sheriff.
Today's your lucky day, Greenleaf. I'm hiring you as the business office's newest witch in residence.
Big B!
The witches over there will keep her out of trouble. And we have
Oh
a
man,
glamour
ik weiß
shortage
nicht, was ich
as
mache,
it
Alex.
is. It makes the most sense now. And you get to keep your fucking tree.
Just don't expect me to bow down to your little woman here.
Don't think for a second that this is over.
So what? Are moving trucks gonna show up here or something?
Something like that.
Okay. Mal schauen, ob sie dann noch lebt oder ob sie bis dahin schon wieder neue Scheißsachen macht. Jetzt haben wir Streit mit der Snow. Ist das wert, liebe Leute? Ich weiß es nicht. Pudding and Pie. Ist er echt noch da? I don't know.
That's Crane's car.
Okay. He's still here.
No, it's nothing you need to concern yourself with. I don't think so, at least. Shit. Hold on. Oh, do you miss the spot? Mr. Clean, come to smash up the rest of my place.
Ah, komm, ich habe noch
Oh,
etwas kaputt gemacht.
that's it. Come to audition, you bitch.
Get out of the way.
I'm in your way, love.
Tell me what you know, now!
Oh, Bluebeard ist da. Oder wer ist das gewesen?
Hey, you can't just go in there.
Schau, wie ich mache.
We have a problem.
Oh.
Tell me who did it! Just tell me who did it! I know you know!
Mr. Crane, please. She can't help.
I know you know what the plan is! I won't be held accountable for this!
I can't. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, Bigby.
Wait, don't!
Ah, natürlich mache ich es nicht.
I didn't do anything, I promise you, I didn't do anything! These girls, the girls, they'll back me up. I just have to get this stupid ring working, that's all. They can't talk because of that spell. But once the ring gets through, I'll know what's going on and this whole thing will be over. That's all, please. I'm innocent.
Der Ring
completely
funktioniert nicht
innocent.
mehr.
The ring won't work. Greenleaf sold you out. What? No. This whole thing will show you. It must. I would. Damn you! Come on, please. Tell me who killed her.
My lips are sealed.
Ah, sie haben einen Zauber auf sich, das habe ich auch nicht gewusst. Oder ich habe es vergessen oder nicht richtig gelesen, dass sie nicht reden können.
How many years?
What?
How many years has this been going on?
Too many.
Okay.
But I didn't kill those women, Bigby. Please, I had nothing to do with that.
Nothing.
It just. Oh God.
Was ist mit dir
What
passiert?
happened to you? Were you always like this?
Not always. It started as most things do, very, very small, nothing more than a thought. But I didn't kill that woman.
Ja, das weiß ich. Das habe ich schon vorher geahnt. Aber du weißt etwas.
Bigby? I don't think he did it.
What?
Ja,
Look at
das
him.
ist doch klar.
You really think this man murdered these women? He's not... He wouldn't be brave enough. Not to put his stamp on the
Aber
wall.
wieso weißt du es? Ja.
I've been chasing this guy. Just why now?
Because look at him.
Das war klar, gewesen, dass er es nicht ist.
You said you found evidence of him defrauding Fabletown, of using our money for his own ambitions. That's one thing. But don't you have doubts he's a
Mol,
murderer? You've both
Gottverdammt.
known him for so long.
I can't believe I'm hearing this.
Did you see how he was acting when you showed up?
This fuck-up knows more than he's saying.
I don't.
Oh doch.
Yes, okay, he probably does. But there's a difference between being involved.
Ja, ich glaub's ja nicht, dass er der
and being
Mörder ist. Hör
guilty.
auf, mir Lektionen erteilen.
But if Crane didn't kill Faith and Lily, I'm sorry, but who the hell did?
Das wissen wir noch nicht.
This
Ja,
whole thing is bigger than Crane.
genau.
He wouldn't have the stones to send the Twiggles out. Somebody else is involved.
Well, shit.
I didn't intend for any of this to get so...
You've been stealing money from Fabletown for years, haven't you?
Gib's zu.
We're not gonna kill you, so quit your shivering.
Ja, wirklich. Pisst dir nicht in die Hose.
Ichabod Crane, you are under arrest for the misappropriation of Fabletown funds. You have the right to counsel, the right to depose witnesses.
Get up.
Fuck up. Now.
I guess we know who's in charge, Sheriff.
Huh?
Sometimes it's fuzzy.
You think you have what it takes to run that office? You think I didn't make sacrifices? I made sacrifices. And you won't be in that chair 1 minute before you have to give up something you care about just so the wheels don't fall off the goddamn wagon. I did the best I could with what I had. And the town took everything it could out of me.
Wir sind
Maybe
besser
I
als du.
want something back in return?
Yeah, see, the thing of it is, we're better at this than you are.
Und wir sind eine Co-Leitung. Wir sind 2. Irgendwas läuft da. Und die Bitches wissen noch etwas. Aber ich weiß nicht was, Mann. Ich weiß nicht was.
Oh, okay. Stupid girls and their preposterous schemes.
What are you saying?
Oh. Shit. Oder was ist da? Oh, shit. Inne, inne. Er läuft mal noch chillig. Und jetzt kommt dort noch ein anderes Auto, denke ich mir. Ja. Oder 2. Oh, hey. Wer ist das? Wer bist du?
Hi. What you got there?
Who the fuck is that?
Look, it's recently come under our attention that you're, how shall I put this, attempting to claim what is the personal property out the Crooked Man. He's about yay high, 120 odd pounds. Pissed his sheets until he was 14. Sound familiar?
I haven't told him anything.
Not now. Shh. The grown-ups are talking.
Wer bist
Who
du?
are you?
No. That's not how this works. How this works is you are going to walk Crane over here.
Oh,
Like
fuck.
a good doggy.
It wasn't my fault.
Shut up. You're interfering with official Fabletown business. Step aside.
Tweedledee. What's the, thing the Mundies call me?
Huh?
What?
My nickname. You know what I'm talking about.
Bloody
Bloody Mary, that's it. And do you know why they call me that? Because some of them, they think it's funny to have their little sleepovers and go into their little bathrooms and say my name 5 times in the mirror.
3 times,
They
oder?
find it less funny when I actually show up and feed their lungs to the big dog. And I do that for a
Okay.
hobby. Like golf. to
Wrong day to
relax.
pull this.
This was really the wrong day to try and pull this shit.
I told you he'd never just give him up.
Oh. Also,
Fuck it.
Okay, sie schießt. What? What? Ich hatte doch noch... Wieso habe ich nicht mal... Wieso habe ich nicht können ausweichen? Aber ich bin der grosse, böse Wolf. Oh, ihr zwei Bastarde. Scheiß Mafiosi.
Bigby?
Oh, jetzt wird er böse. Oh, I'm gonna be bad. Big, bad wolf. Jetzt ist Zeit. Jetzt ist fucking Zeit. Oder noch nicht? Ich drück weh. I'm big and bad. Oh, fuck you over, man. Oh. Now it's time. Now it's time. Ich sage so. Scheißegal, wenn es jetzt eine schlechte Entscheidung ist oder wenn es Tote gibt. Fucked over. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. Ooh, I'm gonna get ya. Aha. Müsst ihr nachladen? Hä? Müsst ihr nachladen? Hä? Rühr das fucking Teil auf sie. Okay. Und jetzt rührst das fucking Teil auf sie. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Zuerst dich. Ah. Noch eins. Jetzt ist gut, jetzt ist gut. Ah, fuck. Hätte ich sollen machen? Nein, ich glaub's nicht. Ist okay. Gonna get ya! Bist down? Rühr's auf sie. Und Bloody Mary, dich verwünsche ich auch noch, Mann. Dich verwünsche ich auch noch. Aber killen will ich da. Nein, killen will ich nicht. Don't kill. Bloody Mary würde ich killen, wenn ich könnte. Snow hat es gesehen. Hey, ich kann leben lassen. Chills mal eins mit so einem verschreckten Blick. Ja, das war klar. Das war fucking klar. Silber.
It was a good show, but, you know, it just didn't know when to end.
Aber der Crane. Au! Der Woodsman Axe. Das ist ein Psychoschlag. Ich komme hoch, ich sag das, ich komme hoch. Ich schaff's, ich hab's schon geschafft. Ich hab's geschafft, ich hab's geschafft. Schau doch, grün, es ist grün. Es ist grün, nein. Nein.
Just take him, okay? Take
Okay.
Crane. Just stop, please.
Yeah, I don't know.
Just get out of here.
Ah. Ich will immer noch Snow retten. Who's showing himself? Wer ist das?
It's your lucky day, kid. Crooked Man says it's okay with him.
Die Schnauze hat er gehabt.
Hello, Ichabod. Got a stomachache?
Er ist tot. Huh?
Oh, and just between us girls, Crane ain't no killer.
Ich weiß.
I mean, look at his face. Couldn't stick a pig if his life depended.
Lass noch das Zettel gehen mit irgendwelchen Tipps, Crane. Come on.
Kinda like your boyfriend here. Too pussy to ruin a Tweedle stay.
Ah!
A beautiful relationship we have with you guys. Really, I mean it. I'm jazzed about it.
Sie wird dich killen.
Out with the old, in with the new. Long live the queen.
Long live the Queen. Die
Good
Herzkönigin
shit,
oder
we'll be in
was?
touch. See you around.
Hätte ich ihn sollen töten oder nicht? I don't know. I don't know. Aber ich muss schon lange den Part beenden. Sehr schön. Das gibt einen längeren Abschlusspart. Das finde ich ganz okay.
He's lucky to be alive. And he won't be next time if he keeps going like this.
Ja,
This is getting
das
worse
passiert
by
im
the
nächsten
minute.
Part. Hä?
We don't have time to sit around and wait for their next move.
I'll get things under control. Woody? I'm not gonna tell you again. Back off, dog. This doesn't concern you.
Bist du sicher?
What you want to talk about?
I just wanted to, about last night.
Okay.
What they did to you, are you even gonna be able to stop them?
Don't hold out on me, Jack. You've always got some angle.
Not this time. I know when a mark's not worth the trouble.
Do you?
Don't make me come down there to deal with you.
Oh,
I don't
shit.
want it. You don't want it.
And you don't want it.
Then again, maybe you don't have much choice at this point. Do you?
Spannend. Spannend. What place? 40%. Ich habe das da. Okay. Do you make a deal with? Ja. 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 Did you kill? Knapp. Ganz knapp. Okay. Wir werden uns das nächste Mal wieder sehen. Zum Anfang von Season 4. Ich denke, da passiert jetzt nichts mehr. Nope, that's it. See ya. Peace.